Hey guys, I'm Joel Thompson Brews, and today we're going to be checking out Sweetwater Brewing and their single hop hazy IPA, their Mosaic. This beer comes in at a 6.2% ABV, a 52 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.80. Watch those fall colors come out with this double dry hopped hazy IPA. Mosaic is packed with delicious hops, giving it a citrus herbal fruit build with a crisp, clean finish. Well, right away, I mean, it's a good looking beer. It's kind of hazy. It's very light hazy. I mean, I can see shadows and items through the glass, but it's a beautiful looking beer. It smells great too. I will give it that. It smells malty and citrusy. Oh, that is really good. That is really good. That is a really good single hop. I mean, this is only 6.2%, so this is a really good, just crushable beer. This is great everyday drinking. I need a meal, I need a beer. This is good. You taste the sweetness of the malt, you taste a bit of that hop freeness, and there's a little bit of an oaty back end to let you know it's a hazy. Now, like I said, the color-wise, I can see light through it. I can see my fingers through it, so it's not hazy. This is unfiltered. That's basically what this is. But it's a really good tasting beer. Like, I can drink that all the time. So if you're looking for a really good everyday drinking beer during this fall and winter time, check out Sweetwater's single hop hazy Mosaic. It's just all around really nice to drink. It's pleasant to drink. I like it. Cheers.